Your Excellency, these are very serious and practical partners, not the talking ones who are very many these days, and I therefore wish to thank them in front of Your Excellency for their spirit and commitment.
Your Excellency, today here, our Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs and UPDF partners, that's Proheli International Services Limited, a joint venture between Ruwero Industries and Bosasa Logistics, are ready together with the MEC to deliver this helicopter fully overhauled and upgraded. Congratulations, Proheli. Hongera sana. Indeed, it is a landmark in the history of the aviation of our country and our own defense